unsplits villain that kind of slides into everyone's DM. It was Gulu only. He's like, your PI was very fun, lol. And it's left on unseen. And he's like, oi, hottie spotted, and you know. I did not like him as a person. I thought he was eh. But game ke liye, I was like, oh my god, I'm crazy about you. Karan said this thing कि Anjali, you and Tain look nice together.
आपको एक tag दिया गया था. They called you home breaker.
But are Tain and Sadaf for home is the question. Himanshu and Diksha are kind of fake.
They are the only couple who are dating outside.
They are dating, maybe for views. That's a gossip. He was like, I don't like her, Anjali. It's just a game. I was like, okay. And they made ideal match. Do you think Yogesh is gonna be with her now? All of the show are green flags. They're all actually red flags. I was like, how was your match with Kyra? He's like, TK, okay, it's not great. Like literally, these guys were dissing their match behind the back.
Anjali should have stayed more and Sadaf को eliminate करना चाहिए था.
100% yes. Sadaf बहुत weird है.
Today on Filmy Gyan we have someone जिसके Splitsvilla में इतने चर्चे थे, be it her bold personality, her strong game plan and what not. But बहुत ही दुख से मुझे कहना पड़ रहा है, she is now out of the game. But we never know. कुछ भी हो सकता है, maybe a wild card or anything. And with that, welcoming Anjali to Filmy Gyan. How are you, सबसे पहले?
Hi, how are you? I'm amazing. I'm feeling very sad I got eliminated. Just kidding, I'm very happy.
But how is it? After Splitsvilla, how's life?
Life Splitsvilla के बाद is बहुत difficult है क्योंकि I'm getting a lot of hate which I never deserved.
Yeah.
Like I don't know what happened in this show. लेकिन ये मेरी third show है. So it's not like I'm a newcomer and I don't know what I'm doing. I think I really knew what I was doing game में. I knew what's happening, what the hosts are doing, what the contestants are doing. So I think मैं over smart थी. That was my problem.
But you know, हेट के साथ साथ प्यार भी बहुत मिल रहा है.
नहीं, not बहुत.
मुझे तो
थोड़ा
दिख
सा
रहा है.
प्यार और
The way you were performing the task, you know, the way you were strong with your game plan. As a viewer, हमें ऐसा मैं पहले दिन से ही मैंने assume कर दिया था, she has a very smart game plan, you know.
Sweet.
जब भी हम देख रहे थे कि she'll kill it, be it task, be it, you know, for the अपनी chemistry जिसके साथ अच्छी लग रही है, you were very smart with that कि मैं को इसके साथ perform करना चाहिए and all. But what do you think? What was the reason क्यों hate मिल रहा है? What is going on?
So Diksha, it's a long story. So starting में मैं बहुत confident थी and you know I entered the villa and Karan said this thing कि Anjali, you and Tain look nice together.
Yeah.
So I felt, oh, am I supposed to be with Tain? You know, is this how the storyline is supposed to be? लेकिन ये मेरी third show है and honestly, I really came to the show to date. So I think a lot of people have come Splitsvilla पे to like, you know, do a lot of drama and to get fame, to get TRP, to get Insta followers क्योंकि आजकल everyone wants to be an influencer. But honestly, Diksha, my career अच्छा है. Like I don't need likes or followers or anything. So I was like, I'm actually single. Or last year, Roshali got like engaged. So I was like, okay, let me see. Agar I find somebody because I think that's the biggest romance is to find love on a TV show. Like the most craziest thing. And मुझे लगता है ये मेरी mistake है is that I went for love. If I went for myself, for my fame and career, I would have just chosen anybody, even Tain, and you know, gone ahead in the game.
Tain का जिक्र किया है आपने तो
when I met Tain, I knew मुझे पता था he has a big drama outside of the show with his ex-girlfriend and everything. I didn't want to get stuck in that, you know, thing or situation. And also I did not like him as a person. I thought he was But game के लिए I was like, oh my god, I'm crazy about you.
But the chemistry with Tain, it was like हमें ऐसा लग रहा था पहले दिन से कि these two, you know, you should go ahead with Tain.
Yeah.
But Sadaf was there.
Exactly. Sadaf was never mind. But also, yeah, honestly, I think Tain and me would have been a very odd couple क्योंकि none of us speak Hindi. So we'll both be sitting in the corner.
Translator नहीं मिलता उसको. Sadaf was his translator.
Even I won't be his translator. So I don't know. Like these were the issues. Plus, as a person, we didn't really get along.
Yeah.
Dono personality strong tha, so it was not working.
But after the show, who all are you in touch with? अभी किससे बातें हो रही है?
So if you saw, I had one gang,
Hmm.
and then the villas swapped,
Yeah.
and then the other gang came, and I swapped the gang also. So, itna swapping ke baad, I think my friends are very limited. But honestly, I've been talking to people I didn't meet. So I spoke to Kyra, I spoke to Arav, I guess,
Yeah.
and they're very sweet and very supportive. Kyra was like, Anjali, you're so good, you played so well. So I think these people are nice, and probably if we meet, we'll be friends.
Are you meeting them anytime soon?
I might meet them today, I guess. Let's see.
Are you excited? सबको इतने टाइम बाद आप देख रहे हो.
Yeah, why not?
किससे मिलने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा है कि I don't want to see him or her.
Tain and Sadaf, I guess. Because it's a very negative energy,
Yeah.
and I like a very clean, positive vibe. So
You know, because of Tain and Sadaf, आपको एक tag दिया गया था. Be it fans or their fans or whatever, they called you home breaker. You are, breaking the bond between two lovebirds. How will you react to that?
But are Tain and Sadaf for home is the question.
Nobody
Because they
knows.
don't follow each other.
Yeah.
So मुझे लगता है Sadaf's bond with Tain was purely for game. Because पहले से she said, I love Indian skin tone, I love Rajma Chawal. And she went on the Indian country so much. As soon as Tain got power, she jumped for Tain. So I felt it's a very fake connection, no offense. And like whether they liked each other later on, that's fine, but it was fake for me.
टेन और सदफ के अलावा और कौन सा एक कपल है जो आपको फेक लग रहा था घर के अंदर?
Okay, I just want to clarify that nobody is like reached out to me, so I'm okay to spill all the tea. So I feel Himanshu and Diksha are kind
Are
of
fake.
fake, kind of.
Okay, but they are the only couple who are dating outside. the
They
show.
are dating, maybe for views. I don't know.
Okay.
It's very mean, but they have been mean to me, so I don't care.
And what about Akanksha and Yogesh? What do you think?
I really think Akanksha or Yogesh relationship both real tha. It was very real. Like off camera, Yogesh used to sing to Akanksha and she'd just be sitting and watching. And like he used to take so good care of her. And I really feel ki, when the villa swap happened, that going for Goresh was a wrong choice. Like I felt it would be cheating because Yogesh is very, very loyal and he knows what he wants. So if his girl does that, with another guy, I know how Yogesh is. We hung out for a long time. So he's going to be upset. He's going to ditch that girl. So I kept warning Akanksha. I was like, don't do this. Yogesh is not going to like it. He's not going to like it. She didn't listen. And they made ideal match. Do you think Yogesh is going to be with her now? I don't think so.
We know the reasons.
100% not. And it's not Yogesh's fault. Like,
but there was no option. There's no choice कि आप अगर perform करना है तो you need a connection there. तो क्या
I don't
करती
know.
आकांक्षा? क्या करना चाहिए था
But to make ideal match, it's such a big thing. That's like
उनके
cheating.
हाथ में थोड़ी था कि हम बन जाएं. मतलब उनके face पे दिख रहा था they were not expecting. वो ना ही आना था but they are the ideal match. They are the first ideal match of Splitsvilla X6. What was your reaction on that? Do you think वो बन जाते?
Nay, I did not think they would make ideal match. Which is like basically, if they did not make ideal match, I would be safe.
Exactly.
That's why I voted for them. Because I was 100% sure Yogesh and Akanksha ideal match hai. Therefore, this is not an ideal match.
But after that also Akanksha had a chance to save you. She would have saved you.
She did, yes.
But she did not.
She did not, because I was pointing out all of the things which were actually happening show mein. Though I know I got a lot of hate.
Yeah.
Like, have you watched these like Love Island and other shows Netflix pe? So over there you have one character, एक ही character hai, it's called the police. So they have no connection. But they catch all of the bullshit and they're like, you're doing this, you're doing this. That was me.
वो पुलिस यहाँ पे बहुत ज़रूरत थी because I had to say this. There are a lot of rumors that most of the contestants were already dating outside the
Yes,
show.
so many.
And this is very wrong. To come to a reality show with a connection outside the show and faking it in the show.
Yeah.
I need your opinion on that. I want you to talk about it because you have a very real opinion about everything.
I really do. And that's why I get hate because I just talk.
Please.
So, I really think, मुझे लगता है कि the guys, mostly guys were dating. So, Diptanshu, I thought so wrong, maybe not, who knows.
Yeah.
And Saurabh, was dating. Now, Abhi, he told me he's actually broken up. So I knew that Saurabh was dating. I didn't know he broke up. And everyone says, show me, oh, I broke up. You don't know if they broke up. So I reached the show and I was like, bro, who can I actually date? And I actually came to the show for love.
Yeah.
So I was like, these fake connections and all, I don't want to do that basically. So, pata nahi. I think Saurabh, Ron, Diptanshu, and Niharika, I heard also.
Niharika as well, I guess. And there are rumors
Yeah.
that Chakshdeep is getting
Chakshdeep
married.
getting married?
Yeah, with the same girl he was
Oh
dating.
shit.
And Anisha is, super mad because उसको पता चला था show के अंदर, but she did not speak up.
Very
about
sad.
it.
Poor Anisha, she's getting so much of hate and like death threats and all, and it's not her fault. Chakshdeep has a real girlfriend outside, and I don't know which acting school he went to. Yeah. Chakshdeep was like, ooh.
And even when Anisha, opened up about it, but he's not accepting. Abhi tak bhi he's not accepting.
He won't accept because he's getting so much of fame for being the green flag.
Yeah.
So I saw one thing, like all of the show ka green flags, they're all actually red flags.
Who is the greenest flag according to you till now?
Bro, I don't think there's any green flags Splitsvilla
Nobody.
mein. Honestly, Saurabh is a lovely guy.
Yeah.
Saurabh is very nice. And Goresh, of all people, is actually a nice guy. So these two, I would say, are nice.
Not Ron.
Ron, no, he's nice, but let's see. Like, I think friends should stand up for each other. I
Yeah.
don't see he's taken my stand. So
There were a lot of friendship breakups too inside the villa. The first one has to be yours and Akansha's breakup. In the dome session, for the first time when Akansha took stand for you, वहाँ पे हमको दिखी कि आपकी दोस्ती बहुत अच्छी चल रही है. बट वो मूव क्या था? आप क्यों अनसेफ जोन में गए? आपके पास चांस था कि आप वहाँ रुक सकते थे, बट यू वेंट, और तब आप एलिमिनेट होते होते रह गए थे. मतलब उस चांस पे भी आप निकल सकते
I
थे, ऐसा
know.
था.
And इस dome में I almost got eliminated. So there was two issues इस dome में. First of all, Akanksha se pehle Himanshu was my friend from outside of the show. Now, when I got inside the show, he was just playing so selfishly for himself in every possible way. And at the time he approached me for Karnika Kalesh. Actually, a lot of scenes of mine are cut from the show. So basically, I had broken up with Ayush. That was a 1 hour conversation. Ayush, I don't want this. Ayush is like, please, Anjali. I'm like, I don't want this. 1 hour.
And हमें सिर्फ इतना सा दिखाया कि Ayush is okay with you playing.
Yeah, and then Ayush started backstabbing me. He's like, oh my god, I don't like Anjali anyways. And that part got shown. I was like, wow. But anyway, so this happened. And then I was just talking to Saurabh as a friend. And I was like, bro, let's play together. Kyuki we're similar age and everything is right. Ayush was much younger to me. And plus our coordination game was not great. So I was like, Saurabh was similar age, everything is perfect. Let's give Tain and Sadaf competition. Rajma Chawla and Anjali got together. So this was the plan. And Saurabh was like, Anjali, I'd love to play with you. Now what happened, jab Deeksha got eliminated, Himanshu was like, shit, I'm going to get kicked out. So he came to me, Anjali, play with me, play with me. And I was like, bro, yeah, I promised, Saurabh. He's like, no, yeah, I'm going to get kicked out. I was like, chalega, we're friends. I will play with you. And that time, Sadaf had taken Saurabh, if you remember, in the dome. And she was like, oh my God, I need Rajma Chawla, I need Tain. And that's when I was like, Saurabh is gone, this guy is gone, I'm left with Himanshu and Ayush. So, yeah. So then task mein, then like this whole thing happened. I ended up playing with Himanshu. Now Dome mein, bro, he started acting so weird. Like, Anjali, get down, get down. I was like, how the fuck you can ask me to get down? Kyuki game mein, I was the one, they said the winner is who ate the sandwiches. So I was the one who ate it and I vomited so much, I couldn't eat for 5 days. And I ate like 25 to 30 green chilies, like itna bada pieces. And when Himanshu was like struggling, I was like, give me. So I literally did, and I don't know how I did it. So it was too difficult. I was like, don't you dare make me get down. So we had this fight, and this time I realized that Himanshu doesn't care about me. He's just doing his own thing. And over any of his actual friends, his priority was Ayush and keeping Ayush in the show. I don't know if that's shown in the game, but like he's like, no, I'll keep Ayush safe. And I was like, what is he actually doing? He's not doing anything. Like him and Suzanne were not doing anything. So I felt that was like really, betraying my trust. So the first betrayal came from Himanshu.
Yeah.
And I was like, this is really bad. इसके बाद bro, Akanksha and Yogesh told us to get down. Like they voted for us. So Yogesh and Akanksha being my friend also, I was like, you guys want us to get out of the game, kya? And this time I realized that Yogesh was intimidated maybe by Himanshu and Akanksha wanted me to get out. And I was like, stop using the friend card then when you're actually not my friend. So that's when I started kind of, disagreeing with her.
But don't you think that was a game plan? कुछ तो चल रहा था उनके
No,
दिमाग
yeah.
में.
I mean, we would have been dumped. So just because of Mr. Box, we're safe. But like literally, Yogesh and Akanksha also did not care about us. So this is why, and I was like, why is Akanksha being so fake and being like, Anjali is my friend? We were not friends.
But Himanshu's statement at that point कि Akansha will, fuck your game.
Even I felt she would mess up his game. Like,
But Destiny had another plans. They were still together, but
Yeah.
उसी रात सबको अलग कर दिया गया. Then the actual, the main betrayal began when you wanted to pair up with Gulu, but Akansha chose Gulu.
yeah.
And she was claiming कि Gulu को आपके साथ pair up नहीं करना है. तब आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था?
That was really sad. So jab the villa swapped, then my whole game started changing. Pehle se I was doing well, I guess. Now jab the villa swap happened. So what happened in Pesa Villa when they showed all those girl ka pictures, who do you like? Gulu had actually said Anjali's cute, okay? Then he came and he met me and I spoke with him for like 5 minutes and he realized, oh shit, Anjali ek NRI hai. So then I was like, Gulu, why don't we play together before the task, before even Akanksha Gulu paired? I was like, why don't we play together? Kyunki I don't have a match. I was like, how was your match with Kyra? He's like, TK, okay, it's not great. Like literally these guys were dissing their match behind the back.
Oh,
He's like, it's
okay.
not so great. Even I asked Ganesh about his match with this girl, what's her name? Zalak. Ganesh is like, yeah, I don't really like her, yeah. So this is all what was happening inside. And so when Gulu heard me talking, this is where I got really sad. He's like, Anjali, I don't need to play with an NRI. I need a girl with good Hindi for TRP. So this time I realized, okay, this is the issue. Ye mera issue hai Splitsvilla mein, is that I have an accent, my accent hai. And these boys, Tain and Gulu, think they won't get views. If they're not with, and guys, look at me, I will get views. My game plan is good, everything is good. Okay? So I felt really hurt that, Gulu is not really caring about looking for love or anything. He wants to just play his game and win the show. But Sunny made it very clear, only love wins the show. So I was like, Akanksha's already with Yogesh in a love match. So you should have someone who's actually single. And Gulu was just thinking about game. So, yeah.
But that comment that Akansha is only behind roadies, guys. Is that true?
I mean, see the show. She went for Yogesh. She went for who? Gulu. And then by mistake went to Gomzi. But she actually wanted to be with Gulu only for safety.
But Gulu को नहीं चाहिए था ना उसके साथ connection बनाना because of the task thing.
See, to be honest, she would have stayed with Gulu. Dome mein, that's when we actually swapped car and was like, okay, who else do you like? Gulu, who else do you like? So it's kind of, they were made to be with somebody else. Akanksha would have stayed with Gulu only for safety.
But now she's the first idol match.
Yeah,
जो
that's
किसी ने
nice.
expect नहीं किया था. And idol match बनते ही आपने भी expect नहीं किया था कि ये सब चीजें जो भी हुआ था. But a lot of statements were passed. You calling Akansha ugly and Akansha calling you everything.
She called me everything.
Yeah.
Yeah,
She
nobody's
said a
talking
lot.
about this. They're just like, oh my God, Anjali called her this. But if you notice, Diksha, the way there's a lot of in Splitsvilla is season mein. Even when Akanksha, Gulu, Ganesh, Dome mein, they're like, oh my God, you don't speak Hindi. And Akanksha's like, I speak English and Hindi. So why are we taking this topic? You're obviously making another Indian, I'm South Indian, you're putting that person down because, okay, you don't speak Hindi and you're just ganging up on them. So I don't understand if this is a love show and there's Northeast, there's South Indians, why the fuck, sorry to say, are we actually ganging up on another Indian, bro? Like, it's really, really wrong. And मैं बहुत hurt थी because I was trying a lot to speak Hindi. I don't even speak Hindi. So I
But
was
that's so
like,
cute
it
the way
was
you're trying to.
But yeah, I feel this is the only mistake Splitsvilla mein is that I was not able to speak as fluently and therefore my chance of connection was very small.
बट there's a perspective that जिसके साथ भी आकांक्षा पेयर अप करती है वो ऑटोमेटिकली पॉजिटिव दिखने लगता है.
Yeah.
बी इट गुल्लू देन गौरीश, उसका रीजन क्या है?
hmm.
मतलब क्यों वो एकदम अच्छे लग रहे हैं सबको?
मुझे लगता है शोज में बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स है, एक हीरो, एक हीरोइन, एक विलन, एक साइड किक, एक क्लाउन. सो obviously Akanksha is the heroine right now, and you know whatever she does, jo bhi hai, it's being shown in a very positive way. So a lot of power lies in the editor's hand.
Yeah.
And like a lot of my strong moments where I fought people or I broke up with people, or you know I was making good game plan, that's not been shown because I got out early, I guess. So ठीक है.
But do you think अगर वो चीजें हमें दिख जाती तो अलग कुछ होता? Right now you would have been the heroine of the show.
Not heroine, but I would have gotten a lot of love. I also mentioned show mein ki I lost my mom 6 months back. So was this in the show? No. That's what I mentioned it, and there was like one day where I was really crying and struggling. Anisha came and hugged me and was like, Anjali, I'm so sorry. And you know, Anisha was like, you're not a bad person, you're going through a lot of things. So I was actually struggling with a lot of things at the time of shooting, and that's why sometimes maybe I was mean, or you know, I acted dumb, because already every day for me it's a survival to get up and do normal things, because my mom is my best friend. So I said this show mein, and it's not been shown, like, because Anjali is the villain.
Yeah, but talk me through that phase. How was it? कैसे आपने उस चीज से overcome किया and decided to go to Splitsvilla?
But then, yeah, I guess this happened in August, and I'm the eldest daughter of our family, so I have to be very strong in front of my dad, siblings. So even though my mom is my best friend, I really believe in afterlife. I think she's in a much happier place. She was struggling with cancer. So yeah, we shared a lot of beautiful moments, and there's a time to let go. So yeah.
But you are a very strong
I'm
lady,
being
you
so
know?
strong.
Going for a show,
Yeah,
you know,
so
in
recent.
such, okay, let's not go
I
there.
really love her so much, and I felt so strong Diksha's show mein. I really feel my mom is praying for me or protecting me, because I don't know how I ate that 25 30 chilies. That's
आपकी
like,
mom खा रही थी आपके लिए.
I do believe like somebody's there, so yeah.
the you know, this is the most underrated bond, a daughter, and be it with your father or mother, this is the most underrated bond. Nobody talks about it कि एक बेटी कैसा feel करती है,
But it's the
beautiful.
most important bond, more than a husband wife. I think it's the bond with your parents.
And it's beautiful.
It's the best.
बहुत you know, ये शो में बहुत सारी दोस्तियां कमाई होंगी, बहुत सारी दुश्मनी होगी. अभी ऐसा है कि लोग बोल रहे हैं कि स्प्लिट्सविला में जितना लड़ाइयाँ नहीं हुई बाहर आके हो रही है, बी इट बिटवीन टेन एंड हिमांशु और गुल्लू mocking everybody. Are you seeing all that?
Yeah, and actually Tena has been fighting me also. He's been posting 100 of reels. Anjali's this, Anjali's that. I've not been talking about him very much. Jab he was doing that, I was like, bro, what's your problem? Show khatam ho gaya. Even Sadaf, if you've seen like 2 weeks back when Sadaf and me were fighting, she was sitting proper makeup, camera, ring light, mic, and Anjali's this, Anjali's that. I'm like, you did itna bada setup to talk about Anjali. One thing I find is show mein, जो भी है, I'm the villain ticket, but everyone's talking about Anjali.
You know, that's the point. क्यों किया इतना सारा? Everybody is talking about you now. But
it's very
like
funny.
अच्छी करो या बुरी, बस हमारी बात करो. तो ये मिल गया आपको, and that's great.
Yeah. And Diksha, do you really think I'm a dumb person? I just want to ask.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
मतलब पहले दिन से ही कुछ तो डिसाइड करके ही लेके आते हैं मेकर्स. There has to be one thing.
I don't know
लोग
about
dumb
this,
बोलेंगे.
but yeah.
There's a thing, जो आइडल मैच वाली चीज है, एक चीज पे बहुत ट्रोल किया जा रहा है आपको.
Please let's talk about this.
कि जिसके साथ भी आप मिलते हो आपको लगता है कि ये मेरा आइडल मैच है. तो या क्या ये हमको ऐसा दिखाया गया है या सच में वो पॉइंट पे आप वैसा फील करते थे?
I don't know how much I can say because I've signed contract, but ये मेरी third show है. So I've been through the experience, and sometimes judges, कभी-कभी, maybe not in Splitsvilla, other shows में, दूसरे shows में, judges give tiny hints. Sometimes, like, you guys look nice together, you know, you performed so well, should do it again. They kind of like, you know, support you. So if you listen for those small things, you understand how to play your game. So starting my Karan said, you know, Anjali, your and Tain connection is amazing.
Yeah.
If he says the connection is amazing, so it's a connection only. So I understood that maybe me and Tain should play, but I was not liking him. Now, iske baad I played with Ayush. I
Hmm.
never said Ayush was my match. I was not liking Ayush. Iske baad there was Saurabh who
Hmm.
was might play, but it's not shown in the show. And as a joke, there was like some
Hmm.
digital, we played some game. And I said, oh my God, maybe ye my ideal match hai, as a joke. Kyunki me and Saurabh are really good friends. Saurabh is a good friend that I have. So as a joke, and like we had a lot of similarities game mein. So I was just joking around. I don't even would not date these guys outside. No offense. Many times
Yes.
nahi hai.
Hmm.
So it was just only option I had was these few guys. So then I said that as a joke, okay? Then Yogesh, I never said Yogesh was my match. That was game plan and strategy.
Hmm.
And like people are trolling me that Anjali only goes to Roadies guys. Then she's telling Akanksha only goes to Roadies guys. But a difference hai, in every task Splitsvilla mein, I've been really strong and I basically almost won most of the tasks. So forget about Roadies audition. That's
Yeah.
2 years back. 2 saal pehle, I've been working on myself.
Hmm.
Literally, I was winning pretty much all the tasks. So I knew, okay, it's a smart choice if I play with Yogesh or even Himanshu or even this guy Golu, like we will win all of the tasks. So that was my game plan. Yeah, there's nothing like I'm also strong and they're also strong. Like in Akanksha's case, mein, she was not performing, so she wanted a strong guy. And वो very चालू है. And I
But-
caught her on that, like the police.
बट हमें आपका आइडियल मैच तो दिखा नहीं कौन था बट अगर आपको चूज करना हो अभी कि आपका आइडियल मैच कौन होगा शो में
I'm not talking anymore about ideal match. Then I'll get trolled. Anjali said he's also her match. So then, wait, I was talking about ideal match. So Yogesh was just game. I did not think. Honestly, any people who are together show mein, agar amazing chemistry hai, there can be a match. So मुझे लगता है every contestant was thinking ये मेरी match, ये मेरी match. I was the only one who said it.
expressed
So
it,
I became like the joker, I guess. And after Yogesh, who else was there? Gulu. Now, one thing happened, okay? You remember this whole topic about judges giving hints, Dome?
Yeah.
So, Dome, Karan said, I didn't give you any hint, Anjali, but that line which Karan said was never shown, I guess. The hint was never shown in the show, right?
no there was a line कि you and Tain look cute together
नहीं
or
नहीं
look
इसके
together.
बाद in the penguin wala task
उसमें तो
when
नहीं.
Akanksha, Gulu, me, Goresh are standing, so the line Karan said it's not shown. Now why is it cut? That's interesting. So I'm not dumb. I'm just over smart. So, anyways, Karan said something like, Anjali, why are you not playing with Gulu? He likes really hot girls. I heard this line. I was like, why Karan said it to me? Then I was like, maybe I should play with Gulu. Now, a hint nahi hai. The show is not scripted. Show scripted nahi hai. Like, it's a suggestion from the host who is very experienced. So maybe he knows who are the match. And obviously, Akanksha has a guy, Yogesh. So at that time, I was like, ये मेरी time है. I have to win. I came to the show to win. I was like, I have to win. Gulu and me will make a great match. Because aside from the Hindi-English problem, which I understand fully Hindi, would be fine. Aside from that, the chemistry game mein would be so strong and crazy. So I just approached him like that, Gulu, let's play. And us time mein, I really felt Akanksha was dominating too much. Like, she just grabbed Gulu basically. So she had a guy, and I was like, why are you grabbing him now? And Akanksha only likes people who are Akanksha fans. The day you're not an Akanksha fan, you're an Akanksha enemy.
Okay.
Bro, even Suzanne is such an Akanksha fan. I was like, Suzanne, use your brain and see that she's just staying safe with these guys. I was like, it's not affecting you, Suzanne, that I am fighting Akanksha. तुम्हारा problem क्या है, right? Like, I'm with Akanksha, but I'm your friend. So me and Suzanne were great friends, like more than Akanksha. And this time when I fought Akanksha, Suzanne was like, Anjali. I was like,
exactly.
why?
She said the backstabbing thing.
Yeah, I was like, can't you see I'm playing my own game? And I'm right. I was like, if you think about it, I'm right. Why did she go to Gulu? So, anyways, there was a lot of Akanksha fans show maybe.
But after Gulu also Goresh wala एक scene आया था कि
Goresh.
you liked Goresh.
Lekin Goresh told me he didn't like her, so
Oh.
that's a gossip. He was like, I don't like her, Anjali. It's just a game. I was like, okay. So I think show mein everyone was doing politics. It was so political. Like maybe I think वो Love Den ke baad, then they started liking each other. Iske pehle he was like, I don't like her. I'll just play with her. I was like, okay.
But also the चिड़िया और and all जो भी उधर बातें हुई थी हम अभी तो पूरा ही हमने देख लिया है प्रोमो में, हमको प्रोमो से ही आकांक्षा को बहुत हेट मिल रहा था,
हाँ, I
you know,
saw
about
that.
the date and stuff. And I saw a story that you have posted कि आपने आकांक्षा को text किया था कि I saw you crying in the live.
Yeah.
Did you guys talk? उसके बाद बात हुई है?
See, okay, this is again a topic.
Hmm.
So when I call Akanksha ugly, I feel very bad about that. You know, I was going through my mom's thing and so many things, and I felt very ganged up on, and you know, a lot of were happening, and a lot of happening, you know, मेरे हिंदी के वजह से. So I was feeling very alone, like not even one person. Ron was also like, oh my God, I'm just with Anjali because I have to be, there's nobody else. So, you know, I felt very, very alone. And when Akanksha was poking me again and again, and she was making these really different faces when she was talking, it was very exaggerated. So, galti se, you know, gusse mein, I was like, bro, you're ugly. And I did not mean that. She's very cute. There's nothing about her that's, you know, like that. Like in shows, my people say a lot of crap because it's a very, you know, difficult situation. So Akanksha said too many disrespectful things mere bare mein, and she never said once, you know, Anjali, I should not have said, that was wrong. Because as a woman, there's certain respect you should give, you know, to each other. So even she was saying, no guy wants you, how old are you? All these stupid, stupid questions she was asking. And I was like, this is not right also. So I apologized to her, like, and she didn't even read the message and she did not reply me. So you can see who's trying and who's not really giving a shit.
And there's a promo जिसमें हमको दिख रहा है कि दीक्षा is slapping आकांक्षा for some reason अभी तक आया नहीं है. तो what do you think? दीक्षा सही होगी वहाँ पे या आकांक्षा सही थी?
पता नहीं, लेकिन Akanksha is very chalu, and I think that the audience opinion of her will change आगे जाके. I feel so. I don't know anything, but I really feel that she's been playing too over smart.
Okay, but in a positive way or a negative way?
Maybe negative. I'm not sure. I haven't seen the show, but yeah, dono girls, they are both very like into their own game, so they're definitely gonna clash. Like,
Okay, but how does this oracle thing works? कि क्या होता है वो टाइम पे? आपको कैसे एकदम से समझ आ जाता है कि रहेंगे आइडल मैच या नहीं होंगे?
so show ke pehle we basically write like a long form. There's like 10 pages.
Oh.
I want this guy. I don't want this guy. I like a guy who likes this food. I like a guy who doesn't like that. So all of us wrote. Now, jab we reached the villa, we all went to each other. What you wrote in your form? So it became very easy to understand कि ये मेरी match है, ये बिल्कुल नहीं है. So even Himanshu और Sundarya, वो anger issues वाला thing, it was so obvious they are meant for each other. So anyway, so we knew from that paper only, like this might be my match. So that's it. And I think the people who are very obviously not, like Ayush and Suzanne, they're like, no, we're gonna make it.
But now Ayush and no, sorry, Suzanne and Vishu are together.
I really like Vishu. He's such
Yeah.
like a brother type.
Who else do you think
Like
जो
bros on.
अभी साथ में as idol match बन सकते हैं? You know, potential idol match हो सकते हैं.
I think Diptanshu and Sundarya. This one.
Anushka.
This even Saurabh and Niharika can become. क्योंकि Saurabh has not been with anyone.
उसने बेचारे ने कोई टास्क परफॉर्म नहीं किया था. Finally he performed last.
And I really wonder कि how is Saurabh staying so safe? I have been about to be eliminated so many times. And Saurabh, who has not performed anything, is just staying in the show. तो पता नहीं how this works.
आगे जाके हमें नहीं पता क्या होने वाला है.
Exactly.
But who according to you, you know, should win the show?
I do know that Gulu was very like, you know, self-confident. I'm going to win. Even Yogesh was like, I'm going to win. Then Himanshu was like, Anjali, I want to win. So like everybody who was there to win. Bro, Akanksha told me, Anjali, I'll be there till the finale. I was like, let's see. And let's see if she's there till the finale. Because she poked a lot of people in the wrong way. And yeah, so all these guys want to win. They're all trying. Like in a love connection is going to win. But do you think Gulu is in love with anybody? Show me.
I don't think so.
I don't know.
You know, Anisha
Let's
also confessed in the interview that उसकी तरफ से कुछ दिखता नहीं था. Beat love or friendship, anything. It was just for the game.
Yeah, even I felt Gulu was not interested in girls. He just wants to
He
play.
was just there for the game. Game खेलनी है, जीतना है, that's it. Connection हो ना हो, secondary. But you know, your friendship with Gulu, that looked very organic and pure. कि आप try कर रहे हो कि build a connection, to build a connection or whatever. But उसके side से ऐसा था कि he wants to play with Akansha and stuff like that, whatever the reasons may be. Why do you think, क्यों आपके दिमाग में आया कि you should pair with Gulu?
So मुझे लगता था most of the connection were pure game. Like nobody was interested or there was no chemistry according to me. So basically, show में there was one thing I've been trolled on a lot is that no guy wants Anjali, right? Now, first of all, I'm a model. Every guy wants to be with a model. Secondly, everything is fine. Nothing is wrong except my Hindi, okay? So one thing happened. जब Gulu and Gomsi entered the villa, they were flirting or whatever. They were doing their thing. We were all just having fun. I'm not going to say any guy was into me, but guys were trying. So I have one proof from my past. There's one Splits villain that kind of slides into everyone's DMs.
I guess we know who it is. Most of the girls have talked about it on the first day of the show that they know Gullu.
Really?
Gullu का DM आया हुआ था उनको, Preet and Anushka as well, I guess. It was Anushka. I don't know who else. Is it Gullu?
Yeah, it was Gulu only. And he texted me Rodi's audition ke baad and he was like, oh my God, your PI was so good. And I didn't even know who this guy is. I like just left him on scene, bro. And Shome, he was like, oh my God, Anjali is so weird. Like, and we spoke before and he obviously found me cute. So I think it was just purely like game why these guys were avoiding me. And like, I will definitely take the topic that Gulu was hitting on me.
Can we see something?
He's like, your PI was very fun, lol. And it's left on unseen. 24th of Feb. Show ke baad we spoke. And he's like, oi, hottie spotted. And you know, all this stuff. Wow, ye wo. I'm like, bro. So he definitely
But
does.
show में तो ऐसा था ना कि वो एकदम ही interest ही नहीं दिखा रहे थे
Yeah.
किसी चीज में.
And I felt like, bro, this guy has been hitting on me. What the fuck? So obviously a strategy tha.
Okay, now we know what's
Yeah.
the reason. But let's move on to the fun
Let's
segment. The
move
first one is what the comments, जहाँ पे आपके post से कुछ comments है. And मुझे चाहिए एकदम अंजलि के अंदाज में उसमें जवाब देना. Okay, so the first one is अंजलि खुद को आकांक्षा से ज़्यादा strong बोलती है पर रोडीज का audition तो दे ही नहीं पाई वो.
Wait, can I get the translation?
You call yourself stronger than Akansha, but you did not pass the roadies audition.
Okay. So I can be bitchy also, but I'll be nice because they texted me. So guys, Roadies 2 saal pehle tha. I'm much better now. As you can see, Splitsvilla mein I won the tasks. So yeah, I am stronger than Akanksha. I won't lie.
The next one is Anjali should have stayed more and Sadaf को eliminate करना चाहिए था.
100% yes. Sadaf
Do you agree?
बहुत weird hai, if I can say.
Do you agree with this?
Yeah.
Totally.
What?
Do you agree with this कि Sadaf
Yes.
को आपकी जगह पे
I do
निकालना
agree.
चाहिए?
और उस दिन में dorm में when I was getting eliminated, Sadaf thought she's getting eliminated. So both of us had chance to like leave.
Okay. So the next one is this or that. I'll speak two names. आपको बताना है आप किसको choose.
Are you going to ask me who is the dumbest contestant?
Yeah.
Please ask me because they all took my name. Now I'm going to take their name.
Okay. चलो. Sadaf और Anisha.
Anisha.
Anisha और सौंदर्या.
Anisha.
Anisha और सिमरन.
Anisha.
Anisha और सुजैन.
Anisha.
Anisha और आकांक्षा.
Anisha.
Anisha और दीक्षा.
Anisha.
Okay. Anisha और योगेश.
Anisha.
Anisha और टेन.
Anisha.
Okay. Anisha और चक्षदीप.
Chakshdeep. He's a nice guy.
चक्षदीप और हिमांशु.
Chakshdeep.
चक्षदीप और आयुष.
Chakshdeep.
चक्षदीप और सौरभ.
Saurabh.
Okay. Saurabh is winning. पैसा विला. विशु और प्रीत.
Vishu.
विशु और रॉन.
Oops. Vishu.
Ouch. Okay. विशु और कियोना.
Vishu.
विशु और कायरा.
Kyra.
कायरा और गुल्लू.
Kyra.
कायरा और अस्मिता.
Kyra.
कायरा और अनुष्का.
Kyra.
कायरा और दीप्तांशु.
Diptanshu.
दीप्तांशु और जलक.
Diptanshu.
दीप्तांशु और गौरेश.
Goresh.
गौरेश और मोहित.
Goresh.
गौरेश और निहारिका.
Ooh. Niharika.
हमें सौरभ और निहारिका जीत गए हैं ये वाला गेम. So now I'll ask you the top 5 smartest contestants of Splitsvilla 16. Who all
Okay.
are that according to you? So you'll take
Done.
names और मैं आपको बताऊंगी वो कौन सी position पे है. Okay, start.
Uh, Niharika.
Yes, she's on number 2.
Okay. Yogesh is not there, na? I'll leave right now.
He's on the list. He's on number 3.
Okay, after Niharika. Okay. Who else was smart? Gulu?
Yes, number 5.
Gulu's on number 5. Okay, can't be Himanshu. Who else? Not Simran. Who else? Sora?
No.
No. I'm not there, I know that. Diptanshu.
Yes, number 1.
Oh, wow. Good one. Sundarya?
Yes, number
Which one?
4.
Oh, wow. See, I know my splits villains.
Now, the top 5 dumb contestants of Splitsvilla 16.
Can you remove my name and put another name?
That's just
मुझे
fans
पता है, I'm
का-
number 5.
Okay, she already knows she's on number 5.
I know I'm number 5. Very bad. I'm coming for you. Okay.
Okay, rest 4.
Suzanne,
Yes, number 2.
2. I've seen this many times. I was just crying and like, why is my name there?
Fans को लगता है अब
It's
अब नहीं
okay.
लगेगा ये सब
Koi
के
nahi,
बाद.
guys. Come on Splitsvilla and try. It's very hard. Okay. Suzanne, of course, Kiona.
No, she's not on the list.
Kiona's not there. Simran,
No,
she should be there. Aside from this, Himanshu,
no.
who made this list?
Fans.
Okay, Saurabh is there.
No,
What? Who else didn't play? Ayush?
no.
God, you have to remake the list. Yeah. Okay.
चल आप अपने according top 5
Chakshdeep?
बता.
No.
Chakshdeep is in the list.
Really?
Number 3.
But he was not dumb. 10.
No.
Arey yaar. Who else was dumb?
Now we need first and fourth.
First and fourth. First, Sadaf? No, Sadaf was not dumb. She was very smart. Not Anisha, not Susanna is there. Me, Kiona is really not there. Preet or something?
No.
Oh,
She's-
Arav?
No.
Really?
Who was Tane's best friend in the house?
Oh my god, Harshit.
Yes.
Everyone forgets Harshit, and that's the name that has to be there.
Number 4.
Okay. Who else?
Number 1 पे कौन होगा?
Suzanne is done.
Yes.
Who? Vishu.
No.
Oh.
विशु की connection कौन थी पहले?
I didn't watch much of Pesa. Vishu ki
She
connection.
got eliminated on her birthday.
That's Kiona, no? Oh, ha, Kushi.
Yes. Number 1.
But is Kushi actually dumb? She seems nice. I
Yeah.
don't know. Yeah.
But
Let's see. I'll meet her today.
the list is done. But I wanted to ask, how is Anjali in love? What is love for you?
Oh my god. Anjali in love बहुत stupid hai. If you thought Splitsvilla was bad, it's more bad. Like I am that head over heels wali. Like I will just drop everything and be with that guy. So very committed, very loyal. I love to cuddle, and I really want them around me. Like I don't want like long distance or something. That guy should be obsessed basically, like calling me, sending me flowers and stuff. That's like I love it.
बट प्यार तो है लेकिन कुछ टर्न ऑफ्स भी होंगे जो नहीं एकदम नहीं पसंद है. वो क्या है? रेड फ्लैग की लिस्ट क्या है आपके लिए?
10 Ayush.
Qualities.
Okay, qualities. Acha, qualities.
Yeah.
Qualities, what are they? Let's see. I think somebody who doesn't take care, like groom themselves.
Okay.
Grooming बहुत important है. Like I hate smelly guys, and don't brush their teeth and all. And the socks wala smell. Oh my god. And guys who जो बहुत lazy है, like they don't have career or passion in life, that really bothers me. And इसके बाद like too much flirting with other girls or talking about themselves. Meri ex, he'd stand in mirror के सामने, I look so nice. God made me so good. I hate such guys. So yeah.
There was also a comment by Tane that about that Diksha and
Huh,
Yogesh's
this was
hug.
really wrong.
What was your take on that?
मेरी टेक ये है कि Tane is actually aggressive towards women is my feeling. क्योंकि I had a history, and then this thing what happened, like why is he attacking women? I want to know. Like, if it's a woman, you should protect her. And like Disha wasn't doing anything, yeah, like really. So I just want to know, like, fame is fine, but fame ke liye you should not drag a woman's image, character, and make some wrong situation look like it's happening. Tane is a man. I should be able to respect that man. Like, what is this behavior? I mean, really.
But Niharika also made a statement about Preet on BYOG that Gullu, Preet, and Yogesh were planned or something, whatever it was. Do you know anything about that?
I don't know anything. Lekin Gulu is a flirt, that's for sure. For sure.
We know that.
Yogesh ke baare mein I don't know anything.
Okay, but bringing someone else's personal life just for fame and views, some
That's
views.
really weird. Like, agar it happens show mein or show ke time mein, on the set, that's okay. But like life outside, why are you bringing on camera?
Do you have any regrets जो शो में नहीं करना चाहिए था, or anything you feel like that was a mistake?
मुझे लगता है I was just playing. Karan Kudra said one really nice thing about me. He's like, Anjali was just taking time and searching for the right guy. So he was supporting. Like, Anjali didn't do anything. She was just trying, yeah, is this guy good? Is this guy good? And we're just playing together. It's not like anything is happening. We're just playing a game. So people are texting me Randy and all, bro, on Instagram. I'm like, how? I'm literally playing a game or a task. Like, that's nothing. We can be friends also. So, I mean, this is very weird. So, I think मेरी regret ये है कि I did not pair up on the first day, but that would have been fake because I didn't know anybody. So, a lot of people did that very smartly, लेकिन I'm not like that. So, I think वो मेरी regret है. My biggest regret, now audience is going to say, oh my god, ideal match. I had a chance to play with Saurabh. वो Kanika Kalesh time है तब, and I really think that if I did that, I would have been in the game. क्योंकि I would have made a connection. दोनों single था, everything would have been
उसकी तरफ
fine.
से वो दिख रहा था कि he was willing to pair up
Yeah,
with
he
you.
was the one who was not judging me or anything. He was very, very sweet. And we used to just talk and have a lot of fun. So as a person, he's really nice. And that's my biggest mistake. Like, I could have been finale mein. But yeah, honestly, Himanshu was like, he's very scary. And when the topic came out ki Himanshu is scary against women, I was like, he is actually. Because when I had an option, Sunny ma'am, us task mein, she gave me an option, Anjali, Himanshu or Saurabh. I was like, and then I looked at Himanshu and he was like, Anjali. I was like, I literally got bullied and I was like, chalo, it's Himanshu. So he can, yeah, I'm not saying anything.
But Kiona के साथ भी बहुत गलती हुआ वो time
Yeah,
पे.
that was a
She
little.
was stating facts, I think, कि हिमांशु जो भी वो feel कर रही थी, she was just expressing, and इतना सब हुआ उसके साथ और उसको निकल गई वो show से. Do you think that was fair at that time?
Pata nahi, like, she got so much of hate for saying, I guess she didn't let Himanshu talk. And then she was like, shut up. And then she was like, you're bullying me. But maybe it's the edit. You don't know. Like, maybe more conversation was there.
Yeah, उसने ऐसा बोला है कि मैंने बहुत कुछ ऐसा बोला था जो दिखाया ही नहीं है.
Definitely. So I think she's nice. Both innocent hair and, the show is a very mean space. So when she said she want to go home, I understand, like 100%. So Mary elimination, mein, it's also not shown. Everyone took my name, was like, yeah, I want to go home. Like, I didn't care. I was like, please let me go.
हो गया अब ये सब सिर्फ मैं नहीं खेल
Because I tried every match and nothing was for me. So I was like, time to go, tata, bye bye.
But ऐसा कोई था जो eliminate हो गया था उसमें से आपका कोई match हो?
Yeah, I mean, I'm still looking for, oh my god, not my ideal match, just a match. अभी पैसा मेरी match है.
आपने तो पैसा ही choose किया था, and that was a very smart move.
It was, yeah.
क्योंकि आपको पहले ही दिख गया कि there's कुछ chance ही नहीं है connection का, तो मैं पैसा choose करती हूँ. And वो भी किसी ने expect नहीं किया था. आकांक्षा was scared कि अरे मेरी throne चली जाएगी मुझसे, but जाते जाते भी आप उसको कुछ अच्छा ही देके गए हो, तो दोस्ती का एक गिफ्ट समझ ले वो. But there are rumors कि पैसा विला के 2 contestants ऐसे हैं जो already plan करके गए थे कि हम घर जाके स्प्लिट्सविला जाके pair up
Who
करेंगे.
are these contestants?
There are names like Anushka Mohit, yeah, Asmita Ron.
This
We
is
don't
really
know.
bad.
Yeah.
So Splitsvilla ke pehle we are told you cannot tell anybody about the
yeah.
show. So if they did that, that's completely going against the contract, which is actually very bad for them. I don't know why they did that.
आपको किसी के बारे में भी नहीं पता था before the show? Not even Yogesh?
That's really cheating, huh? Because it's like we're struggling to see who is. They already know. So both easy hai abhi.
Okay.
Maybe Anushka Mohit, God knows. Anushka is that
Maybe.
smart, she can do
Yeah.
anything.
बट आपके हिसाब से हीरोइन आकांक्षा है बट अनुष्का अपने आप को क्वीन बोलती है. शी इज द क्वीन ऑफ द विला. डू यू एग्री विद दैट?
No.
नॉट एट ऑल.
She was very self-obsessed. Bro, Anushka used to stay married roommate because,
Oh.
you know, I left Akanksha's room. And they made that part also look like Anjali's a joker. You know, I went with my bag. I was being so positive. Fight ke baad, you know, I was feeling very happy that, you know, I took my own stand. So I'm not a joker. They showed it in such a funny way. And, you know, mujhe nahi pata ki at that time I was like a gang with Sandy and Sadaf and all. I didn't know they were still bitching about me. I thought they were like we're good now, you know. They are still talking behind my back. I was like, wow, this is the kind of woman they are. Like, you know, I'm not an enemy. I didn't do anything. So, anyways, I went to that room. Then Anushka came to my room, and I was feeling very scared. Because every morning I'd wake up, and we have like a very tough schedule. I wake up, Anushka is here. Anjali, do you think I'll get eliminated today? I'm like, oh God. So I was like, Anushka, I'm sleeping, yeah. And she'd be like, no, tell me. I was like, oh, fuck. She's really crazy. And jab she was doing like the prank thing, her first prank, Anjali, can I lock you inside the room? I was like, Anushka, try locking me and see what happens. like, just try.
सौरभ also spoke about something कि जब पहले first 2 दिन थे ना तो तब आप लोग बहुत मस्ती कर रहे थे. आकांक्षा, you and
Yes,
Suzanne
we
were
had
in the
so
same
much of
room.
fun.
तो वो लोग आपके रात को knock कर रहे थे, डराने की कोशिश कर रहे थे and he got scared जिस हिसाब से आपने चिल्लाया कि who is there? जाओ मेरे विला से. तो friendship भी बहुत अच्छी थी. And बहुत सारे unseen moments होंगे जो हमको नहीं दिखाया है. तो ऐसा कोई मोमेंट है जो आप चाहते थे वो दिख जाए?
So many beautiful moments in the first, you know, Pyar Villa. Himanshu, me, Saurabh, even Yogesh, all of us were very close. And like, bahut spare time tha, so we were just sitting, talking, playing games or playing charades. And Saurabh is the only one who will act all the charades. He won't let anyone, okay, I'm next. And he'll just keep acting. I guess he's an actor only. And even Raat mein, we were telling ghost stories. And me and Suzanne are holding hands, and Suzanne is screaming and screaming and screaming. It was really fun, and honestly, I do miss the friendship. Like, you know, after saying so many mean things about each other, I don't know how to patch it now. So
we hope everything gets.
I actually unfollowed everybody.
Everybody?
Pretty much. Even Himanshu, everybody. Like, I think only one true, Ron, Goresh. These few people, I'm still like friends. The rest is like, क्योंकि everyone bitched about me, even इस show में, इस channel में, everybody's talking. I was like, remove it. Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the next. That is the last. The last मैं आपसे पूछूंगी whatever आपने जो भी जब भी वो last time किया होगा आपको मुझे बताना है. Okay. The last person you have blocked.
I don't know. My ex.
Ex. Okay.
No one from Splitsvilla.
The last person you stalked.
I'm not saying that.
Why?
I do read the hate comments from other Splitsvilla page. I find it fun.
Okay, the last person you have texted.
For my work, I guess.
Okay. The last food item you ate.
My breakfast and the burji.
Okay. Your last hug.
Good question. My last hug, I guess my friend on her birthday, 2-3 din pehle.
Okay. Your last recent crush.
Jacob Elordi. Oh my God.
The last expensive thing that you have purchased.
Oh my God. My Splitsvilla stuff.
But tell me, कैसा होता है? कितने दिन पहले आपको final किया गया था and कैसे arrange करते हो सब कुछ?
So, I don't know, are we allowed to talk about this? Yes. Yeah, I hope so. So anyways, So basically, there's a long process of audition. So I think 2-3 महीने the audition is going on.
Okay.
So my audition happened like 2 days before the show because they hadn't locked the cast. So I got called and I'm doing shoots and everything. So I think 4 days, show ke pehle 4 दिन, I went, gave the audition, very bubbly and everything. And then I went back to my shoots. So I did 2 days of shoots. They're like, Anjali, you're confirmed. So I have 2 days. वो 2 दिन में I have to get designer outfits, like 15 of them or more than 15. And then 30 sportswear, 30 dresses, 30 this, 30 that. I'm calling all the designers. They're like, time is over. So I went, I shopped everything.
But सब कुछ खुद से लेना पड़ता है.
Yeah,
Nothing
and
from their side.
Like, we get it.
From the show, do you get anything?
I think Newmies say you do get some collaboration, but like only for some contestants. So I have paid for everything and it's very painful.
ना connection मिला, ना मैं जीती.
मेरे पैसा गया.
But it's fine, show है.
It's okay. It was a
कुछ भी कर
beautiful
सकते हैं.
experience. जो भी है, it was nice.
Okay. Your last kiss.
Oh wait, last week.
Okay. The last time you were angry.
Last time I was angry. I don't remember. I don't get angry very much. Last time I was angry. Oh, आज क्योंकि the Uber cancelled like 4 times.
Same. The last time you cried.
Last time I cried. Wait, last week, I think over Splitsvilla only, guys. Be little nice, yeah. Last week I cried and cried.
The last time you got compared to a celebrity and who?
Nora Fateh, I think 2 days back.
Okay. For the dance moves or?
No, just Instagram pay. They're like, you look like Nora. I wish I danced like Nora.
Yeah. And lastly, the last time you felt heartbroken.
Last time I felt heartbroken over Splitsvilla. I swear, pata nahi, बहुत heartbreaking experience tha. And it was actually because of. And it's among contestants, the people who made the show, they are very good people and they wanted us all to do well. So contestants were so mean. And jab I got dumped, there was one guy who was, managing us. I'll just give him a different name. His name is Sahil. So I was crying. I was like, I have tried so hard. I was like, I've tried with Tain, I've tried with Gulu. It's not my fault. And he's like, Anjali, we have made such a beautiful show, but contestants have to choose. It's not our thing. So basically, language ke bare mein, I was out. And I think I did okay. But it was so mean and the wrong time to face all of this. So it was very heartbreaking.
But where can we see you next? And कौन सी वो 3 wishes है जो आपको इस साल करनी है?
Oh, wow. So next, I did a role in a Tamil series, Netflix पे.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be speaking Tamil.
Finally, अब
really
language
nice.
barrier हट जाएगा.
Ha. And yeah, I love to act, so I will be acting and doing stuff. And I've started DJing also. So I just started like 2 weeks pehle, and I'm getting a lot of shows. So मुझे music बहुत पसंद है, and I'll be playing. So like, my journey of expressing and performing, it's going on out of the show. So it's fun. And 3 wishes for the year. I think to find real love.
Yeah.
And to make a lot of paisa. And iske baad, I think to do like some good film or something. That'd be
Okay.
great.
Any plans for Big Boss?
Yeah, I'd love to do Big Boss. And now, मैं बहुत hurt हूँ. So I'm not gonna be Pooja who kicks that thing. I'm gonna pick it and throw it that side. Like,
Double गुस्सा.
exactly, double gussa, and I'll be so crazy in Big Boss. I'll gonna get the chance.
We
I think
wish.
I've been too nice.
अब अलग रूप दिखेगा आपको अंजलि का. And we are done with
And by
this.
the way, I have one gossip. So one roadies guy who I approached, maybe it's Sean, maybe it's not Sean that I approached the guy. So
Okay.
he told me, Anjali, I know you're strong and all. I want one girl who's very quiet, who'll go with me till the end quietly, and I'll just win the show. And I was like, fuck. You guys guess who did this?
Curly hair?
I'm not saying. They will kill me. They will just come to my house and like.
It's okay.
But it's a gossip.
Audience समझ जाएगी जिसके बारे में भी आप बात कर रहे हो.
Audience will get.
But can you give us one spoiler that you know without giving any spoiler? किसी का नाम लिए बिना आप कुछ बता सकते हो?
I can't give any spoiler. I'll just say the people who deserve to, get out, I do feel they will get out.
Okay, so they are not in the finale.
I don't know. It's not a spoiler, but if you've watched the show and you think someone was doing something wrong or being unfair, maybe they might leave the show because yeah, it goes like that. It's a very fair platform.
समझ जाएंगे हम
हाँ.
कौन out होगा जो deserving
No names,
नहीं है.
no spoiler, but
Yeah.
if you feel they're undeserving, mostly they will leave. So let's hope for the
Let's
best.
hope, may the best one win. And
Yes.
क्या पता अगले एपिसोड में हम अंजलि का री-एंट्री देख ले. You never know. क्या हमें कुछ नहीं पता, कुछ भी हो रहा है इस साल. पहला आइडल मैच ही हमें अभी मिला है, आगे पता नहीं क्या क्या होगा, नेक्स्ट कौन होगा अभी हम वही सोच रहे हैं.
Exactly.
दिमाग में तो ये आ रहा है कि योगेश का आइडल मैच कौन होगा अब जब
I
आकांक्षा
really
निकल
thought
गई
it's
है.
Akanksha. Abhi kaun hai? I have no idea.
Maybe.
Let's see.
We don't know. But we are done with this, and Filmy Gyan wishes you all the love and success. I
Thank
want you to
you.
give one message for your fans who were watching this episode.
Me?
Yeah.
To the camera?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, I really love you all so much and thank you for supporting me. मुझे पता है Splitsvilla was looking very weird, लेकिन I was trying very hard and वो मेरी place नहीं था. लेकिन आगे जाके I'm going to do a lot of great things. So keep supporting and love you all so much.